make your audience feel? How should it make your users feel? You design that experience, and then you build it, you create it, you make it, and you get this first draft. And when you're done with this first draft, you are not done, because your first draft is not your final draft. You need to edit it. You need to polish it. You need to revise it. You need to remake it, because when you revise something, you discover what's magic about it. You discover that one note that makes the song, that one joke that makes the set. You can find magic in anything, but you have to work for it. After you have executed on your creation, you need to share it. Too many of your creations are dying on computer desktops, garage shelves, because you don't want to share it. But you need to share what you've made. Because when you do, here's what will happen. Best case scenario, everyone loves it. And they freak out and they're like, wait, you made that? How did you make that? That's amazing, it's incredible, and you succeed. The other best case scenario is that you fail epically, flat on your face. And they're like, wow, that's really good. You're still in school, right? You will learn things through failing that success will never teach you. You need to share your creations, share your work with the world. Someone once said, real artists ship. Real artists share their work. That was Steve. He was 20. He created Apple. You need to learn how to create. You need to execute on that creation. And you need to do this over and over and over again. It's a cycle. It's something that you do as you move forward. Because every time you succeed, every time you fail, that's a step forward, and you're better for it. This is how I found my dream job. Because when I was a kid, I saw Toy Story. And that was insane. You guys don't know this, but there didn't used to be 3D movies. There was just 2D movies. Toy Story came, we got a whole new D. And it blew... And it blew my mind. How could you possibly make a 3D movie? That's crazy. That's magic. So I decided I am going to make an animation. I didn't know how to make an animation, so I had to learn. I read a book. I read some forums, watched some videos, and I made an animation, and it was awful. I showed a few people. But then I decided I want to make a website. I didn't know how to make a website, so I found a book that was this big, and I read through it, and I found a website